Alright guys, today we're going to be testing our new LS series. This engine is it's designed for our 2010 Camaro supercar, so it's a bolt-in into the new 010 5th gen Camaros. And at over 1450 horsepower, this thing's a beast to bolt into a new Camaro. So I hope you guys enjoy it. 546 foot-pounds at the start of the pull, 738 foot-pounds, 878 horsepower climbing, 8.5 pounds of boost.
That thing fucking screams. It sounds fucking gnarly.
Foot-pounds, 883 horsepower and climbing, 8.7 pounds of boost. Pretty freaking awesome for a 380-inch driver. Foot-pounds. Look how fat it is. 8, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 everywhere. 1,075. 15 pounds. Nice little air-fuel ratio table. Great fucking air fuel throughout the curve, I'll tell you that.
Oh, I've never even seen it like that. Never seen 11s all the way down.
Well, I mean, always 11s, but I mean from 11.3 to 11.4.
Yeah.
From there to there.
Yeah, but I mean sometimes it's varying from 11 to 12 to 13 to... 1180 and climbing, 18 pounds. These are back-to-back runs, so we're not letting it cool off. These are not hero numbers. $1262, 22 pounds of boost. Look at the air fuels. Nice. I hope this shit don't pop.
pounds, 1,383 horsepower, 25 pounds of boost. Oh yeah. 388.
Yeah, dude. 1450.
1,350 foot-pounds, 1,450 horsepower, 28 pounds of boost.
All right, this is our 388 cubic inch 2010 Camaro supercar package. Twin turbocharged, twin injected, all sorts of trick stuff, water to air intercooler, you name it. Just made 1,450 horsepower at 28 pounds. The motor will make up to 38 pounds, but this particular head we've only got 4 head bolts on, so we didn't want to push much more than that. But basically 1,350 foot-pounds, 1,450 horsepower. Our special intake with the dual injectors on the inside, dual blow-offs. Some of our billet transitions with the wastegate, billet collectors. Air to water intercooler. Pretty slick piece.